Hello everyone, welcome to today's science class. My name remains Miss Ifeanyi Joseph, and in today's science class, we're going to be looking at energy and energy conversion. Now, I know we've heard a lot of things about energy, and in today's class, we're going to be learning a lot about them. Now, energy is one of the fundamental parts of our lives. It's simply the ability to do work. Energy can simply be defined as the ability to do work. It can be found in many different forms, such as heat, light, sound, electricity, and even motion. And energy has a lot of uses. They are basically what makes life function. We use it to power our homes, businesses in terms of transportation, and a lot more. Energy has a lot and lots of uses. So in our next, we're also going to be looking at types of energies that we have and what they are all about. Now, the first type of energy we're going to be looking at is the word kinetic energy. Now, kinetic energy is simply the energy of motion. It is the energy an object has when it is moving. Example is a rolling ball or a boy walking. This is the type of energy an object has when it is moving. The next type of energy we'll be looking at is what we call our potential energy. Now, the potential energy is the energy a body has because of its position. Example, an apple on a tree, a bow and arrow. Now, when an energy is in a particular position, it's said to possess what we call potential energy. And when a body is moving, it possesses what? Kinetic energy. We also have energy conversion. Now, when we talk about energy conversion, what do we mean? This means changing of energy from form to another. Now, energy cannot be created, energy cannot be destroyed, and energy is never lost. Happens to energy that it changes? It can change from one form of energy to another. Heat energy can change to electrical energy, solar energy can change to electrical energy, chemical energy can change to heat energy, and so on and so forth. That's what energy conversion is all about. Changing of energy from one form to another. And in my next video, I'm going to be explaining these various forms of energy and how they can change to other forms and what impact or importance they have. Now, one of the importance of energy conversion that it makes machines work. Without energy conversion, machine cannot work. Energy also helps to us to move, see, and do work. Without energy, we'll be unable to move, we'll be able to see, and we'll be able to do simple work. And energy also makes life easy, and it is what's useful in nature. So all these and many more are the importance of energy conversions. And in my subsequent videos, we'll be learning more about this topic and how it is important to us. So I hope you've learned something new about energy in this class, and I look forward to your questions and your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for listening. Bye.